Do you have an issue qualifying B2B leads? Like you're getting a lead in, talking to them a lot, and then ends up that they don't have money or the need, or they're not qualified in some other sense? So here's an answer to this problem. You enrich the lead based on their email using a service like Clearbit. So instantly you know a lot of things about the lead. The position the person is in, like the title, the size of the company, what the company does, all the background information you need to kind of superficially qualify the lead. Because, you know, like if you're going for large enterprises, you can instantly see if they fit the bill, who is this person, you know, do they have money, and so on and so forth. Of course, you need to still do manual qualification over the phone as you would normally do, but it makes your life so much easier. So Clearbit, a company, just rolled out this new tool called Clearbit Forms. So essentially what it is like, but you in their tool, you configure a form where you ask for their email, and Clearbit automatically then knows the title of this person, the company size, all these things, the website. So it can auto or like pre-fill those form fields based on the data it already has about this person that comes from the email address. So your form can look to the lead like you just ask for a name and email, and that's it. It's like, what an easy, small, short form, but actually you have like 77 data points. Or you can still show all the other fields that you want to see or require, but you pre-fill them. So like person comes in and already sees that, oh, my title is VP Marketing, my revenue is this and this, and you know, all this other stuff. It can be creepy, or it can be, wow, how did you know all these things about me? So that's a neat way to instantly know a lot about the lead coming in, filling out your forms, and to reduce the form field so there's less friction.